Hey everybody, I'm going to talk to you about why SB3 Solo is probably our favorite ceramic coating we've ever used. There's 4 main reasons why we love this coating. Number 1 is ease of application. There's no wet wipe, there's no second wipe, it's not difficult to remove. In fact, it's the easiest coating we've ever used to remove. And you can, if the conditions are right, such as in our climate controlled shop, you can actually coat most of the vehicle and then come back and wipe without leaving high spots or streaks. So it's a great, easy to apply product. We use an auto fiber applicator, which saves even more product, which we'll talk about when we talk about bang for your buck. The second reason we like it is versatility. You've probably seen videos recently of us doing a GT500 and a Camaro SS. Those were mobile jobs we used Solo. We did Solo on a mobile Escalade as well. Typically, we like to work in the shop here. It's better conditions and we just like working at home in the AC, but you can use it on both. So this is a perfect product for the mobile detailers out there that are looking to add a professional ceramic coating without adding the risk of high spots because you're outside or on a job in somebody's garage. The risk of adding time to your day, which may shorten the amount of cars you're able to do in a day. This is a great product. You spray on, you wipe off. It's probably faster than applying a wax or any other sealant you're really doing anyway. So it shouldn't add that much time, adds a ton of value, lasts a year. We'll show you the performance coming up. And then bang for the buck is number 3. So we've coated 11 vehicles with this. It comes in an 8-ounce bottle and we tested it today by dumping it out and we've only used 2 ounces so far. So we have this on our own vehicle. We've coated a few trucks, some sports cars, we've coated an Escalade, and yet we still have 6 out of the 8 ounces in the bottle. So you could expect to get 25 to 40 vehicles out of this bottle if you're using a good applicator that doesn't waste product and you're not wasting product by putting it on too much. So again, back to the mobile detailers as well as shop owners, great bang for your buck. You grab it, you wipe it on, you wipe it off. It's super easy. And then the last thing is performance. Like I said, we have this on our i8. We're gonna go outside and we're gonna show you the performance on our i8, both the sheeting, the beading, and then blow drying off the vehicle. And we're gonna show you how easy it is and how great it performs for such a great bang for the buck product. So let's go outside and take a look at that. All right, we talked about versatility and how this would be good for a mobile detailer. And it's really hot out here in Texas. The sun is shining. This is obviously not the recommended method, but it is possible. If you reduce the size of the panel that you're working on, you can still apply this. And you just, it's gonna flash right away if you're doing this outside in the summer. So you can pretty much wipe it right away. No streaks, no high spots, but you still get the same performance. All right, next thing we're gonna show you is performance of this Solo coating. This is the test everybody loves to see. You see it coming off. All right, next I'm gonna do a more practical test. Spray washing. Got some great performance there. And then we can just air dry this right off. The one thing to consider as a mobile detailer, if you're frequently washing the same people's vehicles over and over, this is an easy upsell. It's an inexpensive upsell for you. It doesn't take a lot of time out of your day. It certainly doesn't take any more time to apply than say a wax. And the next time you come out, you see this performance. So you can be more efficient as a mobile detailer because you come out and it's a lot easier to clean the vehicle off and blow dry the vehicle off when you come out to that client's house the next time.